If you want to learn how to code in GoDaddy, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you need to edit website files, update HTML, or make small code changes inside your hosting account, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can do it confidently. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and software guides. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign into your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to GoDaddy, then log in with the account that owns your hosting plan. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the section called My Products. This is where all of your GoDaddy services are listed, including domain names, websites, and hosting. Next, find web hosting and click Manage. This will take you to the hosting controls for the website you want to edit. If you have more than one product or website, make sure you select the correct hosting plan so you don't accidentally open the wrong site. After that, you'll need to open cPanel Admin. cPanel is the control panel that gives you access to your website files, settings, and tools. Once it loads, you'll be able to manage the code behind your site directly from your hosting account. Now, if your goal is to edit website code, the next step is to open File Manager. File Manager lets you browse the files stored on your hosting server without needing any extra software. This is where you can find the pages, scripts, and code files that make up your website. Inside File Manager, go to the public_HTML folder. This folder is usually the main directory for your website content, and in many cases, it's where your homepage and other important files are stored. If you are editing the live version of your site, this is typically the folder you'll want to work in. Once you're in public_HTML, locate the file you want to change. It could be an HTML file, a PHP file, or another type of code file depending on how your site is built. Right-click the file you want to edit and then click Edit or Code Edit. In many cases, Code Edit is the better choice if you want a cleaner coding interface with better formatting. When the editor opens, you can now make your changes directly to the file. This is where you can update text, add code snippets, adjust links, or fix layout issues. Be careful while editing because even a small mistake in the code can affect how your website displays. If you're not sure what to change, it's always a good idea to make a backup of the file first before saving anything. After you've made your edits, look for the Save button and save your changes. Once saved, your updates should be applied to the live website, or at least stored in the hosting files depending on the page you edited. Then you can refresh your site in the browser and check whether the changes appear correctly. If the page does not look right, go back into File Manager and review the code again. Sometimes an extra character, missing bracket, or broken tag can cause issues. That's why taking your time and editing carefully is so important when working with website code. So to recap, the process is very straightforward. Sign into your GoDaddy account, go to My Products, open web hosting, click Manage, launch cPanel Admin, then use File Manager and public_HTML to find the file you want. From there, right-click, choose Edit or Code Edit, make your changes, and save. And that's how to code in GoDaddy the easy way. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech videos, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials on hosting, website files, or cPanel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.